Nzama ya mangavana niyakulya munini wa musumbi Rigathi Gachagua kutavya nthi Ũw'O na muno maunduni meukonya Ilovia Sya kaunti maiweta nunakengie nthi kwi muthenyani wa iyoo kana kaunti ni inengetwe bilioni 10 ni silikali nene sya kuukitana miisyo ya mbua ya kitai lende na kuvingiisa kaunti kutavya Kenya. Ũw'O Rigathi Gachagua na watakana silikali isa kunenga kaunti mbeza si ute sya kuukitana muisyo wa mbua na bandu bake kaunti ni selete kuvathia Ilovia Sya mwanya kuukitana na muti ya uwa Nino kuma bajeti ni sio Benjamin Mwaka no kutolese.
Lakini mwenye kufanya kazi ya kuchunga raia ni gavana kwa sababu wako na pesa. Na sisi katika National Treasury tumewachilia pesa kwa gavana zaidi ya shilingi bilioni 10 iko pale na tunataka wananchi walishwe na wachungwe mambo yao.
Ũw'O uneni wa munini wa President Rigathi Gachagua hiyo kuya kiswani vala unaonekie kutula mutima gavana kwa kwikusia muno nthini wa kutethesia nthi vindani ambua ya kitai El Nino aiweta silikali nene kuvikia university silikali sya mitioko shilingi bilioni 10 kuukitana na muti ya wa El Nino na magavana makomanita kwi umuthi ni mavuthisya uneni wa munini wa musumbi wala mathingila vayingwa Ilovia na imwe sya kaunti nisyo sya kuukitana evyo vya El Nino maiweta uneni wa Gachagua towakwelelu cha nthi.
We note with concern public utterances that suggest that county governments have received funds from the national government to support the mitigation of the devastating impact of El Nino rains. We take the position that such utterances are against the spirit of collaboration and cooperation with county government as envisioned under the provision of Article 6.2 of the Constitution.
Ni maweta ni mataite silikali nene silingi bilioni 305 ila ikusanitie kuma mwaino wa kenda vala mwaiyo twe vayingwa kaunti onemwe ineso kwati Ilovia Sya thukumi kaunti ni kuma muvyani wa Kinandu.
This is not the time to point fingers. This is not the time to make accusations. This is not the time for populist politics. This is the time to put our hands together and ensure that we reduce as much as possible the suffering of Kenyans. Counties on their part, with their emergency funds, have put in place various mitigation measures to support their constituents, and we're asking all stakeholders to partner with county governments to elevate the suffering of Kenyan people.
Atio aithesya uneni wake kwi umuthi Gachagua ila wakumana na ene yanda maunduni ma maendeleo nthini wa silikali ya kati na kaunti no weta silikali nene hivi so unenga kaunti ona imwe mbesa sya kukutana na El Nino na nivinda silikali isya mitioko sivange hundu wa kuvindwa budget syo kwa OU mbe kuitana ene nthi hala vineku ni wanangiko wa El Nino.
We are therefore a little bit shocked when we see governors complaining that they are yet to receive money for El Nino from the national government. Such money is not forthcoming. They are expected to use emergency money within their financial provision and to reallocate money within their budget to intervene for the people that they govern.
Magavana manena uneni woncha nthini cha kukusia wiwano wa kaunti 18 na silikali nene kukonya muvango wa makambuni kauntini yani County Aggregation and Industrial Parks KAIPS pala kaunti 18 sio kwata shilingi milioni 450 kuma kwa silikali nene wala nyoni ula wa ilothela nthini wa miaka 3 yukite.
We all know the manifesto underscores the need to address challenges in sectors such as agriculture, emphasizing the improvement of productivity through cost-effective measures, quality enhancement of inputs, and the provision of working capital to farmers. This strategic approach, fostering backward and forward linkages across the economy, particularly within the manufacturing sector, is imperative for inclusive and sustainable industrial development, a prerequisite for driving the country's economic growth.
Kuma vamusino Ilovi ndilivotia vilingwa mavonye nito Benjamin Mwaka.